Hey everyone, and welcome back to Super Mario Bros. U. In the last episode, we took on the next level. In this episode, we're going to take on the next one, which is Acorn Plains 5. So my name is iSneakSometimes. We're going to face on the Rise of the Piranha Plants. So here we are, we're just playing along with our Fire Flower of Doom, and it's going to be very nice for us to do it, isn't it? I think it is, sir. Oh my gosh, really? Are you kidding me? Dang it.
Well, I guess we died today. It'd be a bad day for us to do it.
Alright, so let's try this again. Hopefully we don't die this time because of the pure stupidity, but that's how sometimes it works, because the piranha plants are very, very scary for us to do it sometimes, and they're very, very mean. Alright, come on, get the little freaking a mushroom, please. Thanks. Now let's get this little Koopa thing and throw it at the guy, and we missed it, of course.
Because that's what we always wanted to do in the first place. Got there? Yes.
We got it, and there's nothing there. Are you kidding me? Wow.
They just did that on purpose. They don't want us to go there evermore. They don't want to see us go into the bestest places in the world and whatever. Because they always say that
every day, and it's not really fun. So let's continue on and wait for this to go up and hit little freaking guy up there, and he goes down like a loose base.
Because that's what he does.
Get this little thing, get another fire flower, which will help us out with all these piranha plants. See you later, buddy, and I won't talk to you again. See you later, Miracle. So that's what they do, man. Alright,
cool. So now that we continue on with all this, we can find out that my name's Rick. My name's not Rick!
Because that's what they say it. Okay, so let's try to get this guy real quick. Dang it. Okay, whatever. Let's try to get into the little whole thing here. Please be a good one.
I'm gonna go right there right now and see what's going on.
Alright, so here we are. There's the last star medal, but of course, we're really, really tiny, so we can't even do anything anyways. So let's go down into the gold pipe again, and
see you later, buddies. They won't see you anymore, because that's what they tell me every day.
Alright, so now that we continue on to go through here, we can finally get this little mushroom onto yonder, to where it's gonna be, and smash all these Goombas in their faces, get this little freaking hammer bro, man, sir,
and get them away.
And we got the final freaking star medal, and that's gonna be good for us, because that's what we wanted to do. But anyways, let's go over here and do a little spin, and we got the one up.
Oh yeah, buddy. That's what we always wanted to do in the first place. Oh yeah.
So we completed that one, and now we continue on to where we were before. Alright. So now that we have finally defeated Petey Piranha once again, we can go over here and fight some more Petey Piranha plant guys. Here we go, we're taking them on now. Come on there, Mr. Sir, buddy. Okay, there's like a little question block over there. There's some quest blocks over there that's going to take us away to help us with our victories of time. That would be very helpful for us. Oh my god, come back over here, sir, please. I want you in my face. Come on, please, come on. Oh, what the frick are you doing? Let's go over there really quickly and get it. Oh yeah, we got it real quickly and junk and stuff, and we got them all, and they went away into our pants. And we defeated the level as well, because that's what we do every day.
Yes it is. Salutations.
Alright, so now we can go into the final castle of the world, which would be very, very scary. And I know most of you been like, yo, Sneak, you're supposed to get the freaking one-up thing. Well, I don't need it right now, so I'm not going to use it. Alright, let's get a little bubble. Here we go. That's a good one. Alright, so what we need to do is just jump across as fast as possible and die.
Yes, we do. We die.
Alright, so let's try this one again. Hopefully we don't die this time. It'll be really, really bad if we did, because that'd be the worst kind of situation in the world. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go to Lenny's castle. Lenny is gonna die today. He has no bits of freaking preparing for us. He doesn't have Princess Peach in his pants, so he shouldn't be able to do that ever. Let's jump across, leap of faith. That's very nice. Alright, cool. So we got the first star medal here, and we're gonna be very awesome. Alright, hello, Mr. Skeleton Guy. I hate you so much in my face. And we got the acorn, which makes this a lot easier. Alright, awesome. So now that we have this, we can finally continue on and go across all these fire and the flames. Because, you know, freaking Dragon Force said we could, and that's what they wanted. Alright, awesome. So now that we have this, we can go over here and get another acorn and flutter across here and get another freaking star medal. And that's all we wanted ever. Alright, so now that we continue on and jump across these little platforms again, hopefully we won't die here, but that's not gonna happen. Because we're almost done with this already with the first Lenny, really quickly. But first off, we have to go down here into this little warp pipe, which will lead us down to the last star medal. Be very fun for us to do it, and here it is. It's on a flattering pit of doom. It's gonna be very fun. Alright, let's get it quick. Oh, frick. Oh, dang it. I almost died. That'll be a bad deal. You don't know what the bad deals are. But anyways, we continue on and go to where the freaking Lenny is. He's gonna be hiding there. He's gonna be like,
hey, I want you to be my partner forever, man. You don't know what that is, because they always tell me that I couldn't be if you told me that in the first place.
I'll be like, what are you talking about, girl? Get out of my face, you hole. And I was like, what? Don't even do that anymore, girl. Alright, so let's flutter all across over here and get to the little warp pipe that will shoot us across over at Lenny. Come on, Lenny, buddy. I don't want to talk to you again, but I'm gonna fight you so bad that you'll never remember that you're alive.
Hey, Mr. Lenny.
How you doing today, girl? So what Lenny does is that he throws bombs at us that will try to explode after a while, and then he'll like run up on us and try to kill us. So he's really easy. All you have to do is jump across him a few more times, and he'll go down really nicely. All right, cool. So let's jump over here and get him. Okay, watch out for the bomb again. Bomb's gonna kill us, and you never want to fight us again. All right, dang it! Don't fly over there and kill him. It'll be very bad for you. All right, so last one to go. We get him, and see you later, buddy. Never touch again, sir. Get out of my face. And we did it. Yes, we did. All right. I wonder what happens once we defeat him. Hopefully it's a very nice thing that will help us out with our current situation of fighting Princess Peach. Is it a good one? Oh, dang it. I don't know where they are.
He's just flying around. He's going back to Bowser.
Oh, no, I died. Shut your mouth, girl. And he completely died in his face. So now the next area opens up. So the next area is... They don't know what it is. So hopefully it's a good one. I don't know. We can save it real quick like this.
We're gonna save now.
Yeah, but you did it. So the next level is... Layer Cake Desert. So guys, next episode we're taking Layer Cake Desert. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys later. Oh yeah, taking it on now. Layer Cake Desert, flying around at the speed of sound. You got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Keep going around, gotta keep moving on. Cause one lies ahead, only one way to find out. Just keep on.